Hello, good afternoon everyone. Since I'm still here, this is Eco Beach Canggu. So let's walk around here in Eco Beach Canggu so that you know the situations at the moment. It is very close from Perairan Beach, guys. Maybe like 15 minutes walk, you will arrive at Eco Beach Canggu. So let's go and walk around here. This is the situations here, guys. As you can see, there are so many people here. Not only international tourists, a lot of local people also that like to spend some time here. And the beach, as you can see, it's very good. It's very clean anyway. So let's go down maybe. But there is a footpath here. Or let's just go walk along here, guys. Or let's just go down. Look at the cafe here. I don't know what cafe is this, but there are so many people here. So in Nusa Dua, it's really quiet. Seminyak or Kuta is quiet, but here, as you can see, it is really busy. I don't know if they are visiting for a short term or a short holiday, but maybe a lot of them also they are staying for a long term here. I know some of the people that they choose to not only visiting Canggu, but they are staying also for a long term here. And as you can see, it's really busy. Anyway, it's a nice place here, isn't it? The beach is good, it's very clean. A lot of cafes. But some people comment that the price here even more expensive than Kuta. But to be honest to you, I'm not really sure about it. Normally I will go to local warung to have some food. I've never been to this kind of cafe. Maybe next time I will try once. There are some people still doing surfing at the moment, even though the wave is, I don't know, maybe it's like too big or bumpy wave, something like that. Probably it's not really good for surfing. And here in front of us, this is, I forget the name of this cafe. I think La Brisa or something. Let's keep walking. Maybe because of the weather, it's not really good. Normally, when the weather is good, there are a lot of bin bags, and a lot of people also like to sit here. Look at that, quite busy. Oh, there is a small cafe here. Is it different with the La Brisa? Probably, yeah. I didn't see it last time. Well, look at this, guys, in front of us. There are so many people.
That's why I need so many cookies.
Here is the sunset point, guys, at Echo Beach. Look at this. So many people here. Let's walk around. It should be nice to sit here, enjoy time, enjoy some drinks, meanwhile enjoying the view. But unfortunately today we can't see sunset, it's a bit cloudy. Well, it's really busy here. I cannot say anything about it. Maybe most of the tourists would like to stay here now, yeah? Excuse me. I think most of the tourists, they are staying around in this area now, guys. That is why Kuta is quiet, seminyak. This is the parking area of the Echo Beach, but let's just keep walking. And here on the left side, I think this is new, isn't it? Do you know about this beach club? It's Como Beach Club. I didn't see it last time. Do you have any idea when this beach club opened? I think it's pretty new. Let's ask the security. Sorry, Pak. Pak, kapan ini mulai buka ya?
Apanya?
Ini beach clubnya.
Jam 7 ya?
Enggak, maksudnya sejak kapan buka ya? Kayaknya dulu saya kesini nggak ada di sini.
Masa?
Iya.
Jam 7
Oh, udah lama ya? Oh, iya. Oke deh, kasih ya.
Mari Pak. Dan jalan.
Yeah. I asked the security earlier, and he said this beach club been here for a long time, guys. So I forgot about this beach club. Maybe I'm getting old. Man, look at this. There's a big pool here. It should be very nice swimming here. And how about at the back there now? There's a big building there. Is it part of the resort maybe? Or do you know about that building? What hotel is that? Yeah. Okay, let's go down here and walk a little bit more. Look at that building, guys. It must be very nice to stay there on top there. There's like gazebo. You can see the view of the beach from the gazebo there. You know the name of this accommodation? Hello. Hello. What is this sport here? I never seen this. Do you know the name of this sport? Wow, 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 wow. It looks fun. And there are a lot more buildings here, but it seems really quiet, guys. I don't know if it's open or not, but it must be very beautiful. It's very close to the beach. But look at this building. I don't think it is open. Looks not really optimistic, but the design is really good actually. That's sad to see this kind of building. It is closed at the moment, I think. There must be a lot of money invested here. Okay, so that's all for today's walk from this area. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again at the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.